Hello, my name is Luke Ward, and today I'll be presenting on the topic of calorimetry. Now, calorimetry plays a crucial role in thermodynamics and chemistry. But what exactly is calorimetry? Calorimetry is the process of measuring the amount of heat released or absorbed during a chemical reaction. And in doing this, we're able to determine if a reaction is endothermic, meaning that heat is going from the surroundings into a system, or exothermic, meaning that heat is being expelled from the system into its surroundings. Now, there are three major types of calorimetry. The first one being constant pressure calorimetry, which we did earlier this year in experiment 6. And in this, an insulator is used to trap the heat of a reaction, and a calorimeter is used to measure the amount of heat that is either being absorbed or released in that reaction. The second is constant volume calorimetry. And in this type of calorimetry, like the title suggests, the reaction is kept at a constant volume, but is acted on by various different pressures. And in doing this, we're able to determine a much more accurate reading for the amount of heat being absorbed or released when compared to the constant pressure calorimetry. Now, the final one is differential scanning calorimetry. And in this, a sample substance and a reference substance that reside in different chambers are compared against one another. And the reference chamber contains only the solvent, whereas the sample chamber contains an equal amount of the solvent and the substance of interest. And in doing this, we're able to determine the enthalpy change for that reaction. Now, calorimetry plays a major role in everyday life. It's able to measure the heat exchange in metabolic processes and also body temperature for humans. But it can also be used in the lab. And in doing this, we're able to measure the heat exchange of a chemical reaction like we did in experiment 6. Now, in regards to safety, most of the safety that we have to worry about in calorimetry comes down to the chemical reactions and the chemicals that we use in these reactions. It's important that in doing these reactions and in working with these chemicals, we use the proper equipment, the proper eyewear, and the proper clothing to make sure that we stay out of harm's way. Thank you.